Speaker, I join you and the entire legislature that yesterday was a very sad day for Kenya and the legislature. In the morning at 5:30, we lost our father, our mentor, a man we respect all, Senator Haji. And in the evening, for those of us who attended both burials, we were again shocked to learn the death of our colleague. Honorable Speaker, let me speak for Honorable Haji. Honorable Haji, the Speaker, is a man who introduced me into politics in 2007, despite both of us coming from two different parties. But Honorable Haji was a man who was very much respected in Kenya by all citizens. He worked in all provinces, whether it's the Rift Valley, Nairobi, Western, Eastern, and had a very checkered career both here and even within our. He participated in the stabilization and the war against terror when he was a Minister for Defense. Honorable Haji, for a long time, was the chairman of the Northeastern Parliamentary Group meeting. And he was known for two things. One, he speaks his mind and he speaks the truth. And as we remember Honorable Haji and the role he played in the BBI as a chair, I think it will be very, very. And as we remember Honorable Haji and the role he played in the BBI as a chair, I think it will be very, very fair that the constituency called Ijara, which has recorded more than 350,000 citizens in the last census, for him to be remembered must be accorded an extra constituency. That is what I think the for the dead, according to the Muslims. And I'm sure Honorable Kimunya said it yesterday. They were shocked, him and the president, everybody, and the deputy president and the former prime minister, how we bury our dead, the cost involved, and the time involved. Honorable Nyachai died 2 weeks ago, and he was buried yesterday. Honorable Haji died yesterday morning, and he was buried at 4:30 p.m. in accordance with our Islamic religion. Now let me just read this prayer for him. Oh Allah, surely Honorable Senator Haji is under your protection and in the rope of your security. So save him from the trial of the grave and from the punishment of the fire. You fulfill promises, O Allah. Grant him rights and forgive him and have mercy on him. Surely, O Allah,